Good morning, Mrs. Tudilio. How are you today? Hello, can you hear me, Mrs. Astudillo?
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for having me. I'm doing well. Yes,
Oh,
good morning, ma'am. Thank you for having me. I'm doing well.
we're glad you're interested in joining our company. So I'm Rosin Ploma, the HR admin on this company. Can you introduce yourself and tell me a little bit of your background?
Sure, my name is Pilar Estudillo and I'm recently graduated from the Botas Polytechnic College with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Business Administration in Human Resources. I have experience working in quality control or checker, and I am particularly interested in company manager position. And I believe my skills and experience will be a great fit here.
Oh, that's great. So what is your strength?
I will effectively work in highly prioritized situation.
And what is your weakness?
I'm qualities valuable for the role you assign to me.
And how do you see yourself 5 years from now?
I see myself in senior position manager, important portfolio in this company.
Oh, that's great to hear. What is specifically about our company approach excites you?
I noticed your recent campaign, the one focused on eco-friendly product and expressive engagement rate. I've been working to contribute initiative like that.
Oh, that's exactly what we're looking for a candidate. So, how do you handle challenges or tax deadlines?
I find the prioritized tasks and staying organized. I quickly coordinated with the team and to deliver on time.
That's unimpressive. How do you see yourself growing in this role if you join our company?
I see this as a great opportunity to defend my knowledge and eventually take on more leadership responsibilities. And I love to work closely with different departments.
Oh, so why should we hire you?
If you hire me, it will be a great platform to showcase my skill on this company.
That's that sounds good. So, reason behind leaving your last job?
In order to enhance my skill set, I'm looking for better opportunities.
That's impressive. So, we value initiative and collaboration here. And do you have any question for me or about the company?
Yes, I wanted to know more about the team I've been working with.
Oh, that's a great question. You'll be working a dynamic marketing team and we focus heavily on results based on performances. We also encourage personal developments, so there's always way to grow.
I'm confident that I could contribute to the team and grow professionally in this role.
It sounds so good, Mrs. Trujillo. I'll be touch you soon regarding the next step you proceed. For now, I'm very impressed with that I heard today.
Thank you so much, Ms. Loma. I really appreciate your time.
Okay, thank you and take care. So I will send you to your email, okay?